everyone, and today we're playing Don't Push the Button. Yeah, that's what it's called. Oh, gem here. But at some points we might have to have the volume fully down, like we just did, because of copyright. Is this copyright? I don't think. Well, I'm pretty sure it's not copyright, but yeah. Because of that. Oh. But because of that, that's why we have to keep our volume down. Okay. Yeah, because a lot of copyright and stuff. Like, there was one that was like Baldi's Basics, slap, 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 clap, 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 and stuff like that, but so that's why. But yeah, we're playing Don't Push the Button. It's a really fun game. It's like few games, you know. I don't know what really want to say. Let's just do the video, so we have to stand on the coordinates. He died. Yay, I survived. See, that's mainly, and then we're meant to push the button. That's the. I'm not gonna make it. Oh crap! I didn't make it. I did not know what was going on. I'm a noob. See. Hey, this one again. Yeah, a lot of copyright stuff in this. Not gonna lie. All right, let's go down the slide into the noob. But I got this idea from no one, so yeah, big shout out to nobody, cause I just was playing a game and then I realized I should do this video. Oh crap! I'm smart. I might be smart. I'm about English myths this whole crib. Yep, and I've beat this game already. I'm smart. I've beat this game already, bro. Within like 10 seconds. Well, actually 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Within 2 minutes and 42 seconds of recording, I've already English maths this whole crib. Right. Yeah, I got Robux last night. Got 180 Robux. Man, why y'all standing on this? You meant to press that, aren't you? Not meant to. Like, it's the whole point of the game. Don't press the button and say, get ready to flip your tables. What? What's... I'm about to English mess this whole crib. I just knocked over someone. Away from the tornado. Oh no! Tornado. Oh crap! No, 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 no. No! Got sucked in by the tornado. Crap! He is strong tornado. Oh, oh, oh. Man, I'm cringy. Skull cringiest channel on YouTube. Obby we got here. Nice obby. No, I fell. God, I'm trash. Man, I'm trash, lol. English meant this whole crib. Oh no. I remember when once it's so close to the end. One time I played this game and I was trash at the obby. Seriously. I could never win. What if the green one falls? That would have been so funny if the green one fell. I don't think I might make it. Oh, I will. Yellow fall? No. I'm staying on blue. It was my lucky one the first time, so... Come on, I hope red falls. Crap! Green fell. Tsunami incoming, oh no! Yo, that AFK is just like, I don't wanna, I'm gonna die. Yay. Man, imagine if I died to a tsunami that in that game. Jeez, that's worse than real life probably. I bet it's worse than in real life. Dang, that pizza look good. Has the map gotten bigger, or am I just smaller and faster? I'm spamming, bro. $91 times. Amazing score. What's going on in the chat? Watch out, Boulder, they're coming. Where? Where are you? Hey. Yo, I'm nice. Don't because I'm nice. I'm gonna go in first person. See if this is any... Ah. Oh, I just found it. And I clicked it. Oh, it's a sword fight. Right. Hey, we win, boys. Oh, come on, let me do a slashy dance. Oh, bro, I thought I dodged that, brother. Bro, I thought, no. This game, yeah, I didn't, because I'm a bot. No, seriously, I'm a bot. Please, I love whoever calls me a bot. They're my best friend if they call me bot. Comment down in the comment section, just say bot. Please, it would mean a lot to me. No. I wanted to stay inside the bot. A banana. Tsunami again, brother. I'm probably not gonna make it. No, I fell. That means I'm not gonna make it. Yo, I died. Yo. No. Crap. I'm dead. I'm a bot. Ah, damn. Cries. Bruh. Don't move. What happens if I move? Uh-oh, Stinky. Man. Stupid creek craft. Oh, the button clicking. Spam. Oh my god, 138 tons. Jeez. That's amazing, brother. Why do I always get notifications? Because, you know, I'm subscribed to everyone, literally. Like, everyone you could imagine, I'm subscribed to. Yep, I know this is literally almost impossible, but I'm subscribed to myself. Like, I'm subscribed to myself with Lonely Gaming Kev. I used that account to subscribe to Oofer Boy. Haha. Yo, I got you, I think. Did I? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Ah, damn it. Am I allowed to say crap on this channel? Of course I am. Yay, this one again. Oh, no. Ooh. 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 I swear I jumped over that. Bet it's about to go away. Huh? I jumped over that. No, you saw that, didn't you? Didn't y'all guys saw that? I jumped over that? Okay, yeah, you didn't. So, okay, fair enough. Oh, God. Almost fell off the edge there. Oh. Sir, are you okay? Jeez, he hurt. That must hurt. Hey, table flipping again. This is probably my favorite one. Ready for another last beat? And then I'm gonna end the video where I use. I'm gonna try anyway. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Oh no, and today we did boring things. Please subscribe though and like the video. Anyways, goodbye. See ya. Bye, everyone.